Hey everyone! Welcome to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube channel. Today we're going over 7 daily habits to lose weight faster, tips and tricks. Losing weight? It's like you're trying to scale Everest while carrying a backpack full of bricks. 1 step forward, 2 steps back, and the climb seems endless. You've tried every fad diet, every crazy workout challenge, but the results never seem to last. Sound familiar? You're left feeling defeated, like your body is working against you. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this hard? Here are 7 daily habits that could actually help you shed those stubborn pounds than you ever imagined. Are you ready? Let's do this. Make sure to watch until the end for one of the most surprising tips that you can use this week to exponentially boost your chances of hitting your weight loss goals real fast. Bet you can't guess what it is, huh? Trick number 1, start your day with protein. Fuel your body, crush your goals. We've all heard it before. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But let me tell you, it's not just about breakfast, it's about eating. We're talking protein, people. And no, I don't mean a measly pastry on your way out the door. I'm talking about a breakfast that's packed with at least 20 to 30 grams of protein to kickstart your metabolism and set you up for success. Think about it. You wake up after fasting all night. Your body is craving fuel, and the choices you make right then will dictate your hunger levels and energy for the rest of the day. Choose wisely. A protein-rich breakfast, like eggs, Greek yogurt with nuts and berries, or a protein-packed smoothie, will keep you feeling fuller longer, prevent those mid-morning energy crashes, and curb those cravings for sugary donuts or that 3 p.m. bag of chips. Mornings can be hectic, but you know what's more hectic? Feeling sluggish, bloated, and battling cravings all day long because you skipped the most important meal or chose a carb-heavy breakfast that leaves you hungry an hour later. Take those extra few minutes to fuel your body right. Your energy levels, your waistline, and your overall health will thank you. Protein helps build and repair tissues, keeps your blood sugar stable, and provides that long-lasting energy you need to power through your day. When you start your day with a protein punch, you're essentially telling your body, let's do this. We're in fat-burning mode. So ditch the sugary cereals and empty carbs. Embrace the power of protein, and watch how this one simple change can transform your entire day, your relationship with food, and ultimately, your weight loss journey. Thank you for watching our Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel, by the way. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel. You're the best, by the way. Now back to the tips you came here for. Trick number 2, drink water before every meal. Hydration is key. You know I'm all about pushing you to your limits, but this next habit is surprisingly simple, yet incredibly effective. We're talking about the power of H2O. That's right, water. But here's the kicker. Drink a full glass of water before every meal. I know, you've heard it a million times. Drink more water. But are you actually doing it? And are you doing it strategically? See, drinking water throughout the day is crucial for overall health, but strategically hydrating before meals can actually help you eat less and feel fuller faster. Think about it. Sometimes your body confuses thirst for hunger. You feel that pang in your stomach and you automatically reach for a snack. But often, all your body really needs is a tall glass of water. By pre-hydrating before meals, you're essentially filling up your stomach, which helps curb overeating and prevents those post-meal energy slumps. And let's not forget the other amazing benefits of water. It helps flush out toxins, improves your complexion, boosts your metabolism, and even helps your body burn fat more efficiently. So, make it a habit. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and aim to finish a full glass before you even think about taking your first bite. You'll be amazed at how this simple habit can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. Trick number 3, move more. Seriously, move. Your body was made to move. Okay, before you roll your eyes and skip to the next chapter, hear me out. I'm not talking about grueling 2-hour gym sessions or crazy height workouts. Unless that's your thing, then by all means, go for it. I'm talking about incorporating more movement into your everyday life. Remember, every little bit counts. We live in a world where convenience often trumps movement. We drive instead of walk, take the elevator instead of the stairs, and spend hours sitting at our desks or glued to our phones. But our bodies were designed to move. And the more you move, the more calories you burn, the better your metabolism functions, and the easier it is to maintain a healthy weight. So, how can you incorporate more movement into your day? Start small. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park further away from the entrance at the grocery store. Walk around while you're on the phone. Do some squats while you're brushing your teeth. The key is to find opportunities to move your body throughout the day, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time. So get up, get moving, and feel the difference. Trick number 4, prioritize sleep. Don't roll your eyes. Sleep your way to a healthier weight. I know what you're thinking. Sleep? What does sleep have to do with weight loss? Well, let me tell you, it has everything to do with it. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity, just like eating healthy and exercising. When you're sleep deprived, your body goes haywire and your weight loss goals can take a serious hit. You see, when you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Not only that, but lack of sleep also messes with your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, goes into overdrive, while leptin, the satiety hormone, takes a nosedive. The result? You're hungrier, you crave sugary fatty foods, and you're more likely to overeat. Sleep deprivation can also lead to insulin resistance, which can make it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar levels and can increase your risk of weight gain and type 2 diabetes. So you see, prioritizing sleep is not just about feeling well rested. It's about setting yourself up for weight loss success. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Trick number 5. Plan balanced meals. Your future self will thank you. Take charge of your plate, take charge of your health. Let's face it, life gets busy. We're constantly on the go, juggling work, family, and social commitments. And when you're short on time, it's all too easy to reach for quick, convenient, and often unhealthy food options. But here's the thing, failing to plan is planning to fail. That's why meal planning is so crucial for weight loss success. When you plan your meals in advance, you take control of your food environment. You decide what you're going to eat, how much you're going to eat, and when you're going to eat it. This eliminates the guesswork, reduces the temptation to make impulsive food choices, and sets you up for success. Think of meal planning as a way to prioritize your health goals. When you have healthy, delicious meals ready to go, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or order takeout. Start by setting aside some time each week to plan your meals. Having pre-portioned meals and snacks ready to go will save you time, energy, and stress during the week. Trick number 6. Eat slowly and mindfully. Don't rush it. Savor every bite. Listen to your body. In our fast-paced world, we've become accustomed to rushing through almost everything, including our meals. We inhale our food, barely tasting it, and then wonder why we still feel hungry. But here's the thing. Eating too quickly can sabotage your weight loss efforts. You see, it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full. When you eat too quickly, you're more likely to overeat because your brain doesn't have enough time to catch up with your stomach. This can lead to feelings of bloating, discomfort, and ultimately, weight gain. Mindful eating, on the other hand, is about paying attention to your food and savoring every bite. It's about slowing down, chewing your food thoroughly, and being present in the moment. When you eat mindfully, you're more likely to feel satisfied with less food, which can help you lose weight and keep it off. Start by putting your fork down between bites. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and focus on the food in front of you. Trick number 7. Track your progress. It's like a journal for your journey. What gets measured gets managed. Remember that journal you used to keep as a kid? The one where you poured your heart out, tracked your adventures, and celebrated your accomplishments? Well, tracking your progress on your weight loss journey is kind of like that. But instead of words, you're tracking your food intake, your workouts, and your overall progress. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, ugh, not another thing to track, hear me out. Tracking your progress is not about obsessing over every calorie or punishing yourself for slip-ups. It's about creating awareness, identifying patterns, and staying accountable to yourself. When you track your food intake, you become more mindful of your choices. You start to notice patterns in your eating habits, both good and bad. This awareness allows you to make healthier choices and adjust your eating habits accordingly. It's like having a personal health detective on your side, helping you identify what's working and what's not. Watch this next Everyday Weight Loss Hacks video now.